SQL operators. So what is an operator? It is a reserved keyword which help us to perform some operations. A reserved keyword which help us to perform some operations. So we have various operators over here, like arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, and some other operators. So let us talk about all of these one by one. In the set of first set, we have the arithmetic operator in which we have plus, minus, divide, multiply, and which is the last one?
Percentage.
Modulus.
Modulus. Absolutely. Here it is not referred to as the percentage, it is referred to as the modulus. Suppose I say select 5 divided by 2. Now tell me how much is 5 divided by 2?
2.5.
2.5.
2.
The answer is 2 over here. Why? Because 5 and 2 are the numeric values and integer value, and integer is not capable of handling the decimal places. So 5 divided by 2 is 2 over here. However, if I say 5 mod 2, we are getting 1. So what does modulus operator returns?
Reminder.
Reminder. Absolutely. The modulus operator returns the remainder over here. So, but what if I need the 2.5? So I can say 5.0 divided by 2. And now you are getting 2.5 over here. Why? Because 5.0 is the decimal value. So that is why we are getting over here 2.5. Okay. So the division operator returns the quotient, whereas the modulus operator returns remainder. Do remember this. The next set of operator is the comparison operator, in which we have the equal to operator. This is the not equal to operator. This is also the not equal to operator. So we have two operators for not equal to. Anything can be used: greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not greater than, not less than. Okay, so let's take some example, for which I will like to go to another database test. And in this, I have a table with the name EMP cell. So I can say select star from EMP underscore cell. So in this table, I have 137 records. Now I am saying select star from employee cell. I want to get the list of only the HR team members. So I can say where department equals HR. Execute. So you can see I am getting the list of only the HR team members, and I'm using the comparison operator, that is equal to. Okay, I'm getting the equal to comparison operator over here. Now, let's say I want to get the list of all the team members other than the one of HRs. So I can say select start from employee salary, where department is not equal to HR. Execute. So you can see I'm getting ops, admin, MIS, everything is there other than the HR. We will not be getting HR over here. Now this thing can also be written like select star from employee salary, where department is not equals HR. Again, you can see the same output over here. So not either can be used like this or like this. Any of the operator can be used, both are the same. Then we have the greater than. Let's say I want to get the list of the employees who's more than, the salary is more than 300,000. So I can say select star from employee salary, where salary is greater than 300,000. Execute. So we have 13 employees getting the salary more than 300,000. Okay. Let me say greater than equal to 14 employees. So one getting the salary as 300,000. Similarly, I can say I want to get the list of the employees whose salary is less than 50,000. So select start from employee salary where salary is less than 50,000.
Sir, could you just tell me one other thing? The exclamation mark equal to was not equal to, and the
Not equal to.
yeah, and the one above that was
That is also not equal to. Both are same. There are two operators given for not equal to this and this. Anyone you can use.
got it, got it. Okay, thank you.
Right. Okay, so here we can see select star from employee salary where salary is less than 50,000. So there are four employees getting the salary less than 50,000, or I can say less than equal to. So there are 13 employees getting the salary less than or equal to 50,000. We can also say it like select start from employee salary. I want to get the list of those employees whose salary is not more than 50,000. So where salary is not greater than 50,000. Execute. You can see we are getting the same output which we were getting over here, the 13 record. Why? Because not greater than means what? Either it will be less or equal. Okay, so basically this exclamation mark means the not. If you put it before the equal to, it will become not equal to. If you put it before greater than, it will become not greater than. If you put it before less than, it will become not less than. Clear? Clear?
Clear, sir.
Right. So these are the various comparison operators. Now the next set which comes up over here is the logical operator, which are and or not. Logical operators are used when we need to combine the multiple conditions. For an example, I want to get the list of ops managers. Now there are two conditions that the department should be ops and the designation should be managers. And I want both the conditions should be satisfied. So in this case, I have to use a and logical operator. So I can say select start from employee salary where department is equal to ops and designation equals manager. Execute. So you can see I'm getting four ops managers over here. So both the condition has to be satisfied as we are using and. Okay. However, now if I am saying that I want to get the list of the employees who are either from the ops team or are the managers. Okay. So let's see how can we do that. I can say select start from employee salary where department equals ops or designation equals manager. And you can see we are getting 26 records over here. We are getting a details of a director and VP. Why? Because he's from ops. We are getting a details of MIS, HR and IT team members. Why? Because they are managers. So or will be used when we want that either of the conditions should be satisfied. If either both, whatever the condition is, if any one condition of all the specified condition is satisfied, we will be getting the output. Is that clear? Confirm, please.
Clear, sir.
Right. Now we have not logical operator. Now let me say, select start from EMP where department is equal to temp. Let me execute it. So what I am getting 81 records of the temp team members. Okay, what is the condition over here I have specified? Please tell me the condition.
Department is temp.
Department should be temp, correct. Select start from employee salary where department is not equals to temp. Execute. So you can see I am getting all the records where the department is not equals to temp. So what is the condition I have specified in this case?
Department not equals to 10.
Department
Not equals to 10.
right. Department should not be temp. Correct. Let me remove this. What is the condition over here?
Department is equal to temp.
Department should be temp. Now what I will do, I just put a not in before it. If you just focus on the condition, what is the condition? The department should be temp. Now let me execute it. So you can see I am getting all those where the department is not equal to temp. But what does the condition says? If I look only the condition is saying department should be temp. So basically not reverse the condition. Whenever the condition is true, not will make it false, and whenever the condition is false, not will make it true. It will reverse it. Is that clear?
Clear, sir.
Perfect. So not, it reverses the condition. So this is the logical operators. Now let's talk about few other operators, in which the first operator which is coming up over here is between operator. Now between is used for range. Whenever we have to talk about the range. For an example, I wanted to get the list of the people whose salary is between, let's say, 200 to 300,000. So I can say select start from employee salary where salary is greater than equal to 200,000 and salary is less than equal to 300,000. Execute. So you can see I'm getting 12 employees whose salary is between 200 to 300,000, correct?
Yes, sir.
So one way of doing is this. Now the another way could be select start from employee salary where salary between 200,000 and 300,000. And again, you are getting the same out. So in the first case, you have to say salary greater than equal to this and salary less than equal to this. But rather than, you can simply say salary between X and Y, whatever the value is. So which one is more simpler? First, second?
Sir, in between these values are inclusive then in the range.
Absolutely, yes. Absolutely, yes. Inclusive, greater than equal to. Okay?
Okay.
So it is up to you which one you feel simple. According to me, this is more simpler, so we can go ahead with that. Okay, so the first operator is between. Remember, I am giving you a single word, that is range. I will try to give you a single word for each of these operators which we are talking about. Then in. The next operator we have over here is in. Now in is used for list. Let's say I want to get the list of IT, HR and MIS team members. So I can say select start from employee salary where department equals IT or department equals HR or oh, what happened? Department equals MIS. You can see I'm getting 27 records of HR, MIS, and IT team members. One option is this. Another option. Select start from employee salary where department in IT, HR, MIS. So rather than writing where department equal to this or department is equal to this or department is equal to this, I can simply say department in this. More simpler, yes, no? Here, if you say I also want admin, so you have to write or department equals admin. But here you can simply say comma admin. Is this point clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Here it goes. Okay. Now the next next operator is the like operator, which we have just talked about. Like is used for, tell me the word.
Pattern
Like
matching.
is pattern matching. And like has given us two operators, which are, tell me.
Underscore and percent.
Percentage and underscore. Percentage represents, come on, quickly, what does percentage represents?
List of characters.
Any number of characters. And underscore represents
Single character.
single character, right? So let's take an example. I want to get the list of all the managers. It could be senior manager, assistant manager, manager MIS, whatever it is. Okay, so I can say select star from employee salary where designation like, it could start with anything followed by manager and could end with anything. So you can see I'm getting senior manager, I'm getting manager, assistant manager, and I'm getting manager MIS. So if anywhere in the designation word manager is coming, I will be getting that. Let's take another example. Here it is. Okay, here you can see. So we have an address like Dwarka, Dwarka sector 3. It could be sector 21 Dwarka. So I want to get the list of all the employees who are from Dwarka. Let's see who can give me the query for this. Please give me the query. I want to get the list of Dwarka employees. Please tell.
Where address to like
Percentage Dwarka percentage.
Address to like, correct. Percentage.
Dwarka
Yeah.
Percentage. Very good. So you can see I'm getting Dwarka, I'm getting Dwarka sector 3, sector 5 Dwarka. So if anywhere in the address word Dwarka is coming, I will be getting that. So 37 employees are there from Dwarka. Okay, now I want to get the list of those employees whose third character of the name is J. Third character of the name is J. Let's see who can give me.
Where name like underscore.
Where name like underscore
J underscore.
J and then underscore.
No. Underscore J.
Percentage.
Third character should be J.
Underscore
So-
underscore J.
Percentage.
Percentage.
Percentage. Yeah.
So you can see I'm getting those where the third character of the name is J. So first 1, 2, third is J followed by anything. Okay. So like this, as per the requirement, you can create any pattern. Okay. Here it is. This was the like. Then we have is null. Is null. Checks for the null value.
ફુવાને મેસેજ કરીને પૂછી જોજો કે વાંધો નથી
Is it a background noise or somebody saying something? Seems to be a background noise. Okay. Checks for the null value. Now let me say select star from employee salary and we are getting the 137 record. Now I want to get the details of those employees whose salary value is not available. So I can say select star from employee salary where salary is
Null.
null. So out of this 137, there is one employee whose salary value has not been provided. Okay, so is null. Check for the null value. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Right. The next operator which comes up over here is the distinct. Distinct operator. Okay, gives unique values of a field. Give unique values of a field. Now, as you say, when I say select star from employee salary, I am getting all the records from the employee salary. You can see I have multiple employees from ops, admin, etc. I wanted to see what all departments are there within the company. I wanted to see what all departments are there within the company. So I can say select distinct department from emp underscore cell. So these are the 6 departments within the company: admin, HR, IT, MIS, ops, and temp. So it is giving you the unique values of a particular field. Is that clear?
Clear, sir.
Perfect. So this was the distinct operator. The next operator is the exist operator. And currently, I will not be able to tell you much about this operator. The only thing which I can tell you about this operator is it checks for the existence of the data. Exist operator checks for the existence of the data, and we will be discussing this operator in detail when we will be working with subqueries. Okay, when we will be working with subqueries. Is that clear?